Hey, Chris Menard here. Microsoft Teams is coming out with a new version of Teams. I do have an early preview. I'm going to show you the early preview just for a couple minutes, then I'll discuss some of the really cool features that are coming out in the new Teams. So I've got the current version of Teams pulled up right now. I'm over here in chat, but here's where I see try the new Teams. I am going to go ahead and turn this on. A couple items that Microsoft says about this. One, they say it's a lot faster. Two, it'll use less battery and use less resources on your computer. That is actually really good. A lot of the features that you're having in here aren't in the new Teams yet, but they're coming out, but I'm going to discuss some of them. One item I did happen to catch that I already have is when I go to Team, and I go and pop into a channel, notice that post and announcements, which were all the way at the bottom, are now at the top. So I actually like this feature, but if you've already written material for your company, you got to go back and tweak that material. But there's post and there is announcement right there. I'm going to go back to post, by the way. Other items are going to be coming, including insert video and other items right here. Also, if you post something, I will just post something real quick. Add a subject. Test on, today is April 2nd, 2023. No big deal there. I said hello. Notice that my posts are also now at the top, but at some point they start running oldest to newest, but a recent post is going to be at the top. Over here on the right, you'll soon see all the members of your team automatically. You'll also see some recent files from the Files tab over here. Great news about this feature. Right now, if I want to swap from one tenant to another tenant, and this includes guest tenants, you basically have to sign out of the desktop in one to pull up the other. You'll soon be able to have, let me tell you the exact terminology Microsoft used on this. You'll soon have multi-tenant, multi-account support in Teams, meaning you can be in multiple teams at one time. You can swap between multiple teams at one time, even guest tenants. You'll also get notifications about them all, so you don't have to constantly swap to say, did I get notified about something? That's going to be a cool feature that's coming also. Some calling features that'll be coming soon is call queues and voice-enabled channels, reverse number lookup, contacts and speed dial, boss delegation or shared line appearance. I'm not even sure what that is. And for our meetings, we're going to have 7x7 videos, more presenter options, Cameo, and breakout room enhancements. So all this is coming soon to the new Teams. If by chance you're playing around in here and you say, I really want to go back to the old one, which is what I did. I came in here and said, there's a lot of features missing right now. Not a problem. Just click back here. Teams will reload and I'm back in the current version of Teams. So that is a cool feature. Also green screen. If you have a green screen, Microsoft Teams has recently come out with green screen support. So when I'm in a meeting and turn on a background, I don't have green going around my headset. I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed this. I guess I need to go and update my Microsoft Teams online training class. 3 hours of the best Teams training you'll ever have, in my opinion. Have a great day. Thank you.